One day, Emperor Akbar decided to give alms to all the visually challenged people in the kingdom. He orders his courtiers to make a list of all such people. The courtiers make the list ready and share it with the Emperor. Akbar takes a look at the list and says very well. Take this list to Birbal. Make sure that these people got good alms tomorrow at the bazaan. Birbal looks at the list, goes to Akbar and remarks, Your Majesty, that list is incomplete. What do you know incomplete? What do you mean? Akbar seeks help from Birbal to find his stolen rings. Immediately, the guilty courtier stroked his beard to check for the straw. Birbal pointed at him and told Akbar that he is the culprit, moral, a guilty conscience.